getting ready to do some crabbing. Brought the kayak to help take some pots out. What's up there?
Don't take a picture of my hand.
Get back. Get back. Do not take advantage. She's taking advantage of
Get in the back.
She's not listening.
Dog's not listening. Alright. Well, hopefully we get some crab. That'd be nice. There's like a guy down there salmon fishing. Alright. Yeah, just kind of set it on here. That works. Just toss the rope in here like this. I can handle this wind. The wind's about as bad as I said it was going to be, so I'll come get them on slack tide, so I don't have a lot of current that's going to be helping blow me away, you know.
All right, there you go.
All right.
You went over my rope.
All right, I got one pot out. I'm gonna take the second pot out. I'm gonna take it over here by more where the bridge is. I'm gonna stay kind of by the bank. When the tide comes up, this is an area where some of the crab like to come out. It'd be nice to find some and get some crab. All right, guys, I got a pot dropped right here underneath the bridge. I'll come back to it during slack tide. In a few hours. I should be able to see if there's anybody fucking with this pot. Got me a female.
Yeah?
But the cage came open.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so I gotta fix that, but it was easy pulling up. All right, I got this one fixed. So it's time to head out. Time to go and put it back out. Get off the damn bank. There we go. I'm floating. I'm floating. All right. You caught a few crab. No keepers. I'll have to go and check that other pot underneath that bridge. Oh shit. There's a throwable trap. Not sure how far out he's getting those. A little bit of current in here now. It's no big deal. Alright, I really was going to wait until slack tide to do this, but I'm not going to test myself to the point where I'm going to be in trouble, but I want to see how hard it would be to really bring my pot in when the tide's coming in, because there's already crabs in here. So okay, so as long as I can get up here to where my pot is, I can see the line. My pot can't be much farther than maybe up in here. All right, I'm gonna pull out of the line in. All right, let's let this water turn me around a little bit. I dropped it right in here. Didn't really want to bring it up on the right side. Shit. Alright, that's better. Alright. I've already moved it. I'm already picking it up. It's kind of heavy. Got loads of seaweed on it. I have to get a lot of that off of there. Let this. Oh, there's a crab on the outside. Ooh. I bet you that's a female. Yep. It's a fucking female. Get a bunch of this stuff off. Let's paddle me away. I don't want to be out there in the middle of the current. Kind of want to drop it back where I already was. Got a little bit of wind coming. Well, I believe it's a female. Looks like it from the front. Yeah, it's definitely a female. Maybe I'll just drop it right here. Yeah, I'll just drop it right here. Okay, I got rope on this side of me. Definitely don't want it wrapped up in here. Alright. Alright. Me and my dad aren't really big salmon fishermen, but apparently this is where they like to go. We crab here a lot. I wouldn't necessarily say we crab here a lot this time of year. Holy shit, this guy's got a fish. Dad!
You got a fish on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Salmon fishing. Got a salmon on.
I don't want to spook the fish. See, that's what happens. He went on, he got spooked a little bit. Yeah, they use shallow water. He's not going for it. Gotta be getting there.
What pound test you running?
40-pound braid. It's like sturgeon line. The line's not a problem.
Oh, I was just wondering.
Yeah, it's good line for
Hell yeah.
probably more than I need.
First time I've seen anybody fighting a Chinook on this beach. This is cool.
Walking back this way.
He's coming. Wait, he's gonna turn.
What's your bait?
One last time, and I think he's gonna be ready.
Yeah, he went down that way again. I'm gonna let him walk it back up to me. Okay. Run him around, bring him back this way. Oh, he's hurting.
Go up and net him on the beach. Might not be able to get him head first. No, tail. No, get him in the tail and push him on the beach. Yeah, pull him up on the beach.
He's tired.
Yeah, he wasn't making it easy to land him.
That's 35 pounds, if not more.
That's awesome,
That's
man.
the biggest one I've caught on a beach, I'll tell you that. Holy shit.
That is freaking awesome.
Oh my goodness. That's 35 pounds, maybe even 40. Jesus, that's heavy. Pick that up. That's heavy. Oh, sure you would. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you for that.
You just gotta talk. So met that guy named Matt catching that salmon. That was fun to watch. All right, this is a heavy pot. Oh yeah, this is a heavy pot pulling this one in. There's definitely something in it.
Heavy?
No. Big female, smaller crab. Small male, smaller female, and a big female. Just some smallers and some a big female. Nothing to keep. Holy shit, dude, got one.
Big male?
Yeah. I don't even need to measure this one.
That's the same size as the other one, huh?
Biggest one in that pot. Yep.
Turn him over. Yeah, about same size.
Guaranteed. You can measure him I want to measure him just to see. But he's
Mine was right at 5 3/4. Come on, move your leg.
He's definitely, look at him.
Oh yeah, he's over 6 1/4.
Legal in Washington.
Yeah. That's 2. Right on.
Hard shell too.
Right on.
It's not even soft shell. There's 2. Bunch of females. I think there's one male in here. Yeah, I'm gonna shorten my line before I send it back out, so there's not so much. Here's your lure, man.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Yeah.
I think this is a male right here. Yeah, it is. I'm sure he looks under. This is another male. No, it's a female. It just didn't have that humpback. Making so much. You didn't get any of the pickles? Did you get any pickles yet? Oh, you don't want to put it on your burger?
No.
Homemade pickles? I found, oh yeah, I found that in the seaweed that was down there on the beach. And I brought it up and threw it in the bed of the truck. I didn't realize it ended up in your chair.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I almost lost my plate. Awesome.
Probably go like this. Shit. Oh, fuck, that's hot.
I don't know what regulations is here for hooks. He just uses a triple hook.
It was also a native fish.
Uh-huh.
Well, he probably doesn't know.
Guys, I'm approaching my pot. I'm approaching my pot. All right, guys. I got my buoys. Now let's come closer to where my pot is. Looks like it's where some of this choppy water is, but this ain't nothing. Alright, got my pot, guys. One female crab. One female. I had my pot around the bridge for a couple of hours. Tide's coming in pretty good right now, so I think I'm gonna take it back. Take it back. Go right a little bit. There's some rocks here. I don't want to hit any of these rocks because I don't want to tip my kayak. But I don't want to go too far over there. Hell yeah, guys. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. That's probably what it feels like. It kind of feels like out in the ocean. There's another guy out here kayaking, crabbing with me. He had the same idea I did. Alright, so stop being so mean. Let's get in there. There's one in the back that looks like it could be a legal male. But if he is, it's going to be an if. Yeah, it's a male. That one climbed out. I don't know. He won't let the fuck go. All right, let's see if I got some crabs in here, guys. Oh, geez. Oh, it's a heavy pot. I don't know if it's just heavy because stupid freaking females, man. Seaweed. Jesus. Ugh. This pot's fucking heavy. There's kelp, lots of crab, lots of crab, lots of crab. Dang it, man. They all look like females. This guy's a male, it looks like. No, female. Female. Little female. Another female. Is this a male? Nope, female. Female. Alright, let's go drop it more out here in the channel. That one was full of freaking crab. Let's go drop him out. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends. We got some friends here. Alright, let them soak for a bit. Alright guys, this is going to be my last pull on each pot. A couple seals hanging out over there. Probably see them here in a second. Yep, a couple seals hanging out right there. I'm going to come and get my pot. Definitely going to be my last pull. I'm going to pull this pot, take it back to the beach. Hopefully there's some good crab in it. We've got 4. It's a slow season. But I'm just kind of out here having fun, beating the heat, being in Salem. It's hot, man. It's been hot there. It's nice here. Alright. Buoy in the boat. Alright. I got the buoy in the boat. Now I can see the rope. Alright, that should be enough. Alright. I should be above it, or if not close to it. Nope. Come on. Oh, it's heavy. Jesus. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what? There was some big ass fucking crab in there and it came out of the pot. The damn thing came open. What? What? Hey guys, so this is a big guy. I got this guy out in that pot. This is that big guy I got. This guy is bigger than the measuring stick. Look how big he is. He's still mad. Here's the bait. Here's our bait, other bait in here. We got 3 other crab in there, legals. If you look down in there, this guy's a monster. Shad and chicken. Get in there. But that's gonna do it for this trip, you guys. We've been crabbing for a few hours. The tide's going out. Get kayak loaded. Look at that stupid seagull. He's yelling. He wants our bait. Hey, thank you for watching. I rinsed my feet off. Catch you on the next one. Keep wishing, go fishing.